Whether you're planning a sprint, conducting a retrospective, or facilitating a remote workshop, ALEAS Board offers a set of tools to help keep your team aligned and engaged. In this video, we'll cover the filter bar, info bar, presentation mode, pen tool, PDF export, and bird view, and explore how these features can make your sessions more dynamic and effective. The filter bar allows you to filter sticky notes by board member, status, color, due date, and JIRA stickies. On the right-hand side, you'll see all board members. Next to each user's avatar, there's a status dot that changes color depending on the user's current state. Green means the user is online. If presentation mode is active, the dot can be red or blue. More on that later. When you click on a user avatar, all stickies where that person is either the owner or an assignee will be highlighted. You can also select multiple users at the same time to filter across several people. The filter bar is especially helpful during meetings. For example, we always use it in our Scrum meetings. In the center of the filter bar, you'll find additional filter options. Here you can filter sticky notes by color, status, or due date. There's also a JIRA filter, which works a bit differently. Click once to show only JIRA-linked stickies and search JIRA properties directly. Click twice to show only non-JIRA stickies. All filters can be used at the same time, so you can combine them however you like. If you want to reset everything, just click the Clear Filter button to remove all active filters. Over on the left side of the bar, you'll find the full text search. Use the search function to quickly locate any IntelliSticky on the board that contains your keyword. You can open the info bar by clicking the button located at the top left corner of the board. The info bar gives you a quick at-a-glance overview of all the sticky notes on your board. If you apply a filter or manually select specific stickies, the numbers in the info bar will update in real time. This feature is perfect for seeing how many stickies are assigned to a team member or how many tasks are still open, for example. At the top of the info bar, you'll find the burn-down ratio. This shows you the percentage of done stickies compared to the total number of stickies selected, giving you a clear, up-to-date picture of your project's progress. Presentation mode is a powerful feature that helps remote teams run focused meetings while keeping everyone on the same page. It's also more bandwidth-friendly compared to traditional screen-sharing tools. Ideally, you'll be connected with your team over a call, through Microsoft Teams, for example, while using presentation mode. This allows you to discuss while visually guiding your colleagues through the board in real time. Once someone starts a presentation, all users receive an invite to join. To activate presentation mode, click the corresponding button in the toolbar. A pointer will appear, displaying either your avatar or a short label. The pointer's appearance and the colored status dots in the filter bar help everyone quickly identify who's doing what. A red dot indicates the current presenter. A blue dot marks users who are following the presentation. A green dot shows users who are online but not participating in presentation mode. You can see at a glance who's currently presenting in the presentation toolbar. It also shows how many people are following along in real time. There are several ways to take over as presenter. Grab and move the pointer. Right-click anywhere and select Place Presenter from the context menu. Or simply click the Take Over button in the Presenter toolbar. As the presenter, you control the board view for everyone else. You can guide users around, and your actions, like editing a sticky or drawing connection lines, are visible in real time. If you take any action outside the presenter's flow, you'll exit the shared view, but you can always return by clicking the Return to Presenter button. To help keep meetings on time, the Scrum Clock is available just below the filter bar during presentation mode. It tracks speaking time per person and is especially helpful for stand-ups and time-box discussions. Any team member, not just the presenter, can start, stop, or adjust the timer. If time runs out, the clock continues counting negatively to show how much time has been exceeded. The pen tool lets you add handwritten text and freehand drawings directly to the board, making it easy to annotate and highlight important elements during meetings or workshops. You can use the pen tool with a mouse or with any type of pen on a tablet or touchscreen. To get started, click the pen button in the bottom toolbar to activate drawing mode. This opens the pen toolbar. You can choose between a pen and a marker and switch between them with just one click. On the right side, you'll see 5 customizable presets, where you can set color and stroke width. These presets are saved across all boards, so your settings stay consistent. While in drawing mode, you can move around the board and select lines using the selection tool. To reposition a line, simply click on it, then hold and drag it to a new location. Each drawing is rendered as a separate element and can be moved, scaled, or deleted, just like templates. The lasso tool is especially helpful when working with multiple hand-drawn elements. Just draw a freehand selection around the area, and all elements inside that area will be selected together. Here's how you can export your board as a PDF. First, navigate to the area you want to capture. Then, open the drop-down menu next to the board title and click on Export Board. To define the export area, click and drag with your mouse to select the region you want. A PDF file will be generated automatically. Once it's ready, you can download the file with a single click. The PDF export is a quick and easy way to create a local backup, document the board's current status, or share a specific section with external team members or stakeholders. To open the bird view, click the Map button in the lower left corner of the board. This brings up the mini-map, which gives you an overview of the entire workspace. To navigate to a specific section, you can either click directly on a template in the preview or hold down the left mouse button and draw a selection box to zoom into that area. Bird view also includes controls like zoom in and out, full screen mode, and a resize button that resets the view to the default zoom level. If you're a board admin, you can take this even further by saving specific views as frames, which are essentially snapshots of key sections on the board. To create a frame, simply go to the section you want and click the Create Frame button. A blue border will appear around the selected area, and the frame becomes available to all board members for easy navigation. You can also mark one frame as your favorite by clicking the star icon. That frame will then automatically open as the default view whenever the board is loaded. This is especially useful during structured meetings, like Scrum sessions, where quick access to certain sections is important. That's everything you need to know for organizing successful meetings with ALEAS Board. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating!